exploring the beat of Cardi B, from struggles to stardom and beyond. Start with a flashback to Cardi B's electric performances that have captivated audiences worldwide. Ever wonder how this dynamic performer rose to stardom? From her raw energy on stage to her unforgettable hits, we're diving into what makes Cardi B a music sensation. Stay tuned. What does it take to transform personal adversity into worldwide acclaim? Cardi B's journey from working as a stripper to holding a Grammy is not just inspiring, it's a testament to her resilience and talent. Discover the unique path she carved to reach the pinnacle of music success. Cardi B's signature occur echoes far beyond her music, embodying her vibrant personality. But what's the story behind this cultural phenomenon? From her early days to topping the charts, we explore the milestones that shaped her into one of today's most influential artists. How did fashion become a pivotal part of Cardi B's identity and success? Each outfit tells a story of boldness and evolution, mirroring her career trajectory. Join us as we unveil how Cardi B's style choices reflect her personal growth and artistic expression. Bodak Yellow not only dominated the charts, but also marked a significant milestone in Cardi B's career. Curious about the inspiration and backstory of this hit? We're breaking down her discography, revealing the creativity and drive behind her chart-topping tracks. Cardi B's journey from reality TV star to global music sensation is nothing short of spectacular. Her unique blend of irrepressible charisma and raw talent catapulted her from the small screen to the top of the music charts in record time. Delving into the secret behind Cardi B's success unveils a tale of perseverance and authenticity. She connects with fans by being unapologetically herself, whether she's rapping, performing live, or sharing snippets of her life on social media. Today's episode takes a closer look at why millions around the globe adore Cardi B. From her infectious energy to her trailblazing style, she's not just a music icon. She's a cultural phenomenon shaping the entertainment landscape. Our exploration doesn't stop at her music. We're also examining Cardi B's impact beyond the microphone. How has she influenced fashion, politics, and even social issues? Her footprint extends far beyond the expected realms of a typical music artist. Wrapping up, think you know everything about Cardi B? Think again. Her story is filled with unexpected twists and inspiring turns that keep fans hooked and critics talking. Stay tuned as we uncover more layers to this multifaceted superstar. Cardi B's rise to fame is not just about her music, but also her #1 hits that have topped the charts. Each track showcases her unique style and charismatic delivery, resonating with fans worldwide. Her discography includes some of the most memorable songs in recent years. In today's episode, we're diving into Cardi B's journey from her early days in the Bronx to her meteoric rise on the Billboard charts. Her background, filled with challenges and triumphs, has shaped her into the powerhouse artist she is today. What sets Cardi B apart in the music industry? It's her unapologetic authenticity and bold personality. These traits have captured the hearts of millions and propelled her to global fame. Her influence extends far beyond her music, inspiring a generation. We're breaking down Cardi B's top tracks today, delving into the meanings behind her powerful lyrics. Each song tells a part of her story, reflecting her experiences and her evolution as an artist. Fans connect deeply with her honesty and vigor. To understand the full scope of Cardi B's impact on music and culture, it's essential to explore her off-stage life as well. Her surprising hobbies and interests add layers to her public persona, making her an even more intriguing figure in the entertainment world. Cardi B's authenticity resonates deeply with her fans. Her unfiltered expression and realness, both in her music and public appearances, strike a chord with those who value genuine personality over manufactured celebrity personas. This authenticity is a cornerstone of her widespread appeal. But there's more to Cardi B than just keeping it real. She is also admired for her resilience, rising from humble beginnings to become a global superstar. Her story is one of triumph over adversity, inspiring fans to pursue their dreams with tenacity. Her journey into the music scene was anything but ordinary. Known initially for her vibrant personality on reality TV, Cardi B leveraged her fame to launch a successful music career. Her debut single, Bodak Yellow, catapulted her to stardom, showcasing her unique style and lyrical prowess. Cardi B's music isn't just catchy, it's a powerful expression of her life experiences. From struggles to success, her lyrics offer a raw, unfiltered look at her life, making her songs relatable and empowering. This connection is what turns listeners into loyal fans. Beyond music, Cardi B has ventured into the world of fashion and social activism, using her platform to influence and inspire. Her fearless attitude in addressing issues and standing up for what she believes in continues to add layers to her enduring influence. Dive into the evolution of Cardi B, tracing her journey from her first song to her latest hit. We cover her musical transformation, showcasing how she's adapted her style while staying true to her roots, making each track a reflection of her life. Cardi B has consistently made headlines, not just for her music, but for her vibrant personality and bold choices. This exclusive look delves into her most memorable moments, from groundbreaking performances to candid interviews, highlighting how she shaped her public persona. Cardi B's career is marked by breaking barriers. We discuss her significant contributions to the music industry, examining how she's challenged norms and expectations to pave the way for future artists. Her resilience and innovation have made her a beacon in the industry. Explore the feuds and friendships that Cardi B has navigated throughout her career. We uncover the most talked-about relationships that have influenced her music and personal growth, revealing a network of connections that spans across the music world. Cardi B's influence extends beyond music, venturing into fashion and activism. Today's exploration highlights how she uses her platform to advocate for change and empower her followers, making her not just a musical icon, but a cultural influencer. Cardi B is more than just a chart-topping rapper. She's a beacon of inspiration for many. Her relentless determination and authentic personality resonate with fans worldwide, making her a role model for aspiring artists and young women striving to make their mark. Her influence extends far beyond the music industry, venturing into realms like fashion and social activism. Cardi B uses her platform to advocate for racial equality and women's rights, demonstrating her commitment to making a difference in the world, one verse at a time. Among her many accolades, Cardi B's award show appearances are particularly memorable. Each performance and acceptance speech showcases her charismatic and genuine nature, endearing her to fans and critics alike and cementing her status in the entertainment industry. Her musical journey reflects a dynamic evolution, transitioning from raw, unfiltered tracks to more polished, profound compositions. This growth highlights her versatility as an artist and her ability to adapt and thrive in the ever-changing music landscape. For those captivated by Cardi B's journey from the Bronx to Billboard stardom, there's much more to her story. To keep up with every facet of her expansive career, hit subscribe on the Music Educator YouTube channel and stay updated on all things Cardi B.